Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be solving the equation 6 times x minus 9 equals 9. We will be using algebraic methods to isolate the variable x and find its value. So grab a pencil and some paper, and let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation 6x minus 9 equals 9, start by isolating the term that contains the variable. The original equation is 6x minus 9 equals 9. First, we need to remove the constant term that is on the same side as the variable. In this case, the constant term is minus 9. To eliminate this term, we will do the inverse operation. The opposite of minus 9 is plus 9, so we will add 9 to both sides of the equation to keep the equation balanced. The equation now becomes 6x minus 9 plus 9 equals 9 plus 9. When we add minus 9 and 9 on the left side, they cancel each other out, leaving just 6x. On the right side, 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now our altered equation is 6x equals 18. We have successfully simplified the equation to 6x equals 18 by eliminating the constant term minus 9. This step is crucial because it helps to isolate the variable term, making it easier to solve for x in the next steps. To solve for the variable x in the equation 6x equals 18, we need to isolate x completely. In this scenario, x is being multiplied by 6. To get x by itself, we must do the opposite of multiplying by 6, which is dividing by 6. We will divide both sides of the equation by 6 to keep the equation balanced. On the left side, 6x divided by 6 cancels out the 6, leaving us with just x. On the right side, 18 divided by 6 simplifies to 3. So the equation now changes to x equals 3. To start step 3, we are now left with the equation 6x equals 18 after removing the constant term minus 9 in the previous step. Our goal now is to isolate the variable x. In this scenario, x is being multiplied by 6. To get x by itself, we must do the opposite of multiplying by 6, which is dividing by 6. We need to divide both sides of the equation by 6 to keep the equation balanced. When we divide the left side, 6x divided by 6 cancels out the 6, leaving us with just x. This simplifies the left side of the equation to simply x. On the right side, we take 18 and divide it by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So the equation now changes to x equals 3. This concludes our steps, and we have found the value for the variable x. The solution to the equation 6x minus 9 equals 9 is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.